so this is the first project of SCADA which you are going to control and monitor in the SCADA screen. The objective is, you can see this is an ITS platform, interactive training system platform, in which we have a box sorting mechanism. Okay, so in this box sorting mechanism we have randomly boxes coming on this conveyor which are being sensed by these sensors, and then these are diverted to one of this conveyor, left or right, using this roller conveyor table. Okay, so this is the plant. We need to extract the information from this plant and display in our SCADA screen. This is one of the screen. Okay, and to control this plant we are having a ladder logic of Allen Bradley. So that's the ladder logic. Okay, so I hope this makes sense. This is a logic which is controlling the plant which is in this screen, and we want to monitor that in that screen. Okay, don't be confused. This is not the SCADA. This is a virtual plant which you are going to control through a PLC, and this is the SCADA screen. Alright, so now the first thing is to understand in just the basic understanding of the ladder logic. So in this ladder logic, what we have done is we have used some move commands and counters. Then for the outputs we are using latching and latching bit. The output is from O:0/0 to O:0/7. Then for the inputs, our tag are I:0/3. So we have similar tags. Then we have tags of memory bits which are used to make the complex a little easy. So we have to link these tags from our PLC program to our SCADA screen. So this is the PLC program which you can learn in our PLC course, which has been beautifully explained in one of the videos. Now we have to see how we have made this SCADA screen. So this has been designed using all the elements which we have discussed in earlier videos. Okay, so if you see this one, this is just a label, and we have just adjust its font and size. This yellow column at the back, this one is a rectangle took from here. Okay, this is the rectangle. This is colored with yellow and has been displayed like that. And here these are the new LED displays, LED display which has been dragged from here. This is again a label. Now to color this box as yellow and take it as back, how we can do that is, you can take a square. I'm just showing you a demo. This is a square. Now if you have to color it, what you can do is, you can see the solid color and the stroke paint. You can change the fill color from here to any color of your choice. Or if you need some fading, you can have some fade or gradient. If you need this one, this can be shown here. Okay, if you need a yellow, you can take a yellow or whatever color you want. Okay, so this is how you can take the color. And to take a text on the top of this box or at the back of this box, what you can do is, I'm taking a small label there, and this label is on the top. If you want this box on the top of label, there's a very shortcut. It's this one. If you click on this one, this box will go at the back of label. If you click on the label and click this one, this label will go at the back of the box. So this is how you can do, you can bring the text on the top of the box, or you can bring the box to the back of this label. This is the shortcut of doing that. Okay, so I'll delete this one. Now these are the momentary buttons which I took from here. Momentary button, and these are named as start, stop, reset, because this is my control panel which is the replica of this control panel. Start, stop and reset. Okay, this is another button to reset all these values. Now these values are total box delivered, boxes in line, number of small boxes, number of large boxes. Now these are the information which are already in the PLC. If you see in the last program, at the last end, you will find some comment, number of small and large boxes which are in the information in 7:5, 7:6, process line 7:4, delivered 7:3. So we have to just tag these LED with these data registers so that we can have the values here. Okay, this we'll see in the next section. Then we have, these are again the boxes, took like the similar boxes with different shapes. This is again a rectangle, this line, just to give some visual appearance. Then this one is a multi-state indicator. Okay, if I double click on this one, it has two states, feeder belt off and feeder belt on. You can change the text of these states from this text column which has already been discussed in the last video, and its colors from here. Okay, so these are multi-state indicator which are going to indicate the status of these conveyors. The conveyor 0, conveyor 1 and conveyor 2 and 3. So this is how we have made multi-state indicator here. Similarly for this exit conveyor, This is the indication of this conveyor, and that's the indication of this conveyor. All right, this is again simple label. This has been taken here just to name the conveyor table. Then this is the box feeded by sensor 0. You can also place this over here. Box feeded by the sensor 0 is going to send. Now these 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can see that this is the description. 0 is a feeder belt exit sensor, 1 is a lower case detector, 2 is a higher case detector. Now this is red means the sensor is off, and second state is green, which will say the sensor is on. Second state is green in all the sensors. Okay, so these are all the sensors which has been replicated because of the environment. We have all the sensors here, so this has been made here, which will tell you the status. A and B, this is the rollers. If you see here, A is turntable roller loading. Loading means roller will rotate in this direction. I can show you manually here. If I actuate actuator 2, you will see roller is running in this direction. Okay, if you call it anti-clockwise, so you can say that this is an anti-clockwise. If I actuate 3, it is running in another direction. So this 2 and 3 are A and B. A is running in anti-clockwise, B is running in clockwise direction. This is the tag for that. Then sensor 9 and 10. So these are the actuators. So we have highlighted actuators, sensors, and data registers here. Okay, this is how the screen has been designed, and if you want this screen, we are going to put that in our secure download folder, secure download web page, in which you will find a RAR file and having all these files. This ladder logic as well, and the SCADA screen as well, so you can try that in your own computer. Okay, so now in the next video we'll see how to make the tags, how to link these tags with the PLC information, and then we will simulate that. Alright, if you have any doubt till now in designing the screen, you can get back to me. Thank you.